So yoga is a process of climbing up. We should climb up. Climb up where? When we practice Kriya, we know we are always said, go to the top. Gurudev said, go to north to his presence. So climb up. Gurudev said, human spiritual path, he compared with one well. Gurudev said it is just like one well. And he gave this example from Swami Sri Yukteswar's teaching. Swami Sri Yukteswar said the well. He told a story. The story is, once a man came to a sadhu and told, can you please tell me some means I want to be rich? He said, can you not give me a mantra by which I can get some spirit or goblin who can come and do my work, so I'll be rich? He said, don't do all these things. He went on pursuing again and again. Being very kind, he said, okay, I give you a mantra. You chant, a goblin will come. But there is a problem. He said, what? The goblin doesn't want to keep himself lazy. You should keep himself busy. If you do not keep himself busy, then he will just kill you. Then he said, okay, I have so much of work to do. So he will do, I'll keep himself busy. So he chanted the mantra. The goblin came. He said, I'm here. What do you need? Tell me, I'll do it. He said, I need a 7-storied house. In no time he came and he said, it's been done. He looked, because one 7-storied house, it would have taken years. It is done. I need all these furnitures in the house. Done. Give me work, otherwise I'll kill you. Now he's in trouble. He said, just wait, I'm coming. Because now he's in trouble. He came to the Guru and he said, what to do? The Guru said, look, I was telling you, you did not obey me. It is not a good thing. However, you are in trouble, I am going to help you. You tell him to dig one well. Now, after digging the well, on both sides you put some iron rings, rung, they call rung, R-U-N-G. So, with that you tell the goblin, you climb down and come up. Again climb down, then come up. Again climb down and then come up. Again climb down and come up. Then he said, just you will be doing. And if you have something to be done, you just come and tell, do this. And when you will be done, then you will say, climb down, go down and climb up, go down and climb up, go down and climb up. Arurukshoho muner yoga karma karanam uchyate. Those who want to climb up, for them, climb up in the ladder of yoga. Here yoga is a ladder. Karma karanam uchyate. Action is the means. Here, action is sadhana. Sadhana is the means. Remember, spiritual path is not for the dreamers. Yes, you dream, but put dream into reality. Gurudev said, life is not an empty dream. Life is not an empty dream. That means you have to undertake activities. There is a proverb in India, I slept and dreamt that life is beauty. I woke up and saw life is duty. I have to do. However, here it is said, through path of sadhana, you can rise up.